Alright, so it's 7:55 p.m. right now, and it's just starting to snow, February 27th. You can't see it, but I might go out or for like a minute, but snow is just starting. It's supposed to snow until like early tomorrow morning. I'm hoping we get enough snow to where I might have a snow day tomorrow. You can actually see a bit of the snow on the car roof over there, but not on like the grass or any of the roofs of the houses. Snow truck's like reversing. We're not gonna get much snow on the steps because my parents decided to put salt on it 2 days ago when it snowed for a bit, even though it like melted in a couple hours and like 28 degrees. Snow truck like went on the street, then just reversed onto the main road. And you might have been able to actually see the snow for a bit when there was like the lights of the snow truck. Yeah, it's coming on quite heavy. I don't know if it's like a kind of like a rain, but I think it is snow. I think it's just because it's not that cold yet, so it still kind of feels like rain. Like it's coming down kind of heavy, like a little too heavy for snow, or almost it feels like hail, but like a really, really light hail. You can even see the steps too. It's like, yeah, you see how fast it's like coming down? You could even hear it. It's like, it doesn't sound like snow. But we could get up to, it says we might get up to like 8 inches of snow, which I'm hoping. So then, you know, I might have a snow day tomorrow. There could be a delayed opening if it's not that much, but I kind of don't see the reason if there's like close to 8 inches, but whatever. I'm just hoping for a snow day. Yeah, you see? It's like snow all over the driveway, but look at how fast it's coming down and the sound too. This is what the snow feels like. Bro, this is like the exact snow we got in like Maytown 20 when it was like 48 degrees out and it actually snowed. This is what it feels like when I picked it up. This like it feels like the snow we got in literally 48 degrees in Maytown 20. But it should get colder and we might actually get like actual snow or something like that. See this? Look. Yeah. Now that the garage light is actually on, you could actually see it now, but yeah. Pouring a time lapse. Yeah, this literally feels like the snow we got on May 9th, 2020. It was 48 degrees out. Snowed for a bit. That's what this is like. That's like the type of snow we got. Let's see how many degrees it is. Cause I think it might be like in its higher 30s. That might be why we're getting this type of snow. 36. Okay, maybe when it drops to 34, we'll like get like the actual snow or whatever type of snow this is supposed to be. But it's supposed to drop. Well, that might have been this morning, 27 degrees. (8:42 p.m. right now. Snow's gotten deeper. I have a 2-hour delayed opening so far. It's gonna snow until like 10 a.m. So I could possibly get a day off if weather conditions worsen. That's just for now, 2-hour delayed opening, which means that I'll be going to school at 9:45 a.m. But if we do get to 8 inches of snow, I might change to a whole day off. Snow's gone deeper so far. Alright, it's 8:59, like 17 minutes, like after I just filmed the video, and you could see how much deeper it's gotten, and the sky is like absolutely just turned white. You could really see the snow now. Okay, don't know, well, I could see it better, but you can still, for the most part, see. See how white the sky is just getting? Yeah, I think weather conditions might worsen. We might get off for sure. Let's open the window. It looks even whiter in person compared to on camera. This guy looks like a lot whiter. Alright, so here it is now, 9:30. My iPad's at like 5%, even though I have it on the charger. It was originally at 11 or 10%. Looks, I don't know if it's, I've noticed that like sometimes it would like drop down, but like it never dies though. So I don't know if it's just gonna die soon while on the charger because I'm recording. If it does, then whatever, honestly. I'll still have the video at least. Some of the snow, but I don't know if it's gonna die or not, actually, though. Alright, so it's 10:10 right now. Probably make one more video closer to 11. I'm guessing it's not snowing as much, but I don't think it's stopped. I don't see it, but I don't think it would just stop now. It's just supposed to snow until like 10 a.m. tomorrow, in our 12 hours. Yeah, I can't tell. I would have to like open the door and like feel if it's actually snowing, but if the garage light does come on, I'll be able to see if it's actually snowing or not. Okay, I just realized why the iPad was actually dying, because I used the 5-watt charger instead of the 12-watt. That's why it was dying. It's dead now, so I think I'll let it charge, and then maybe I'll actually start recording again. But here it is currently outside. So yeah, that's why I was dying, and it's finally dead now. But it shouldn't die now if I put it on the 12-watt charger that the iPad needs to actually, like, you know, charge. So yeah, you can see it is actually snowing, you know, a decent amount. You just couldn't really see it with the light off. But now the garage light is on. So yeah, charged in, it's recording again. Sounds like there's a truck coming. 37 right now. Yeah, I can't actually feel it because of the roof. Well, I think I kind of feel it, but alright, so it's like 6 a.m. 2:26. My dad's actually using the new snowblower. 7:23 a.m. right now, using it for the first time. I woke up like an hour ago, but I feel like sleep. I think I'm actually gonna stay up now, but yeah, I think it's still a delayed opening. I'm gonna be going to school at 9:45. We got a decent amount of snow, but I wish it could have been deep enough to where I would have got the day off. But you can see the cord just keeps coming out with the snow blower. The thing even has a light. Lights up. Alright, 8:50. I'm gonna go out in like less than 15 minutes. So I'll probably do a video outside. Garbage truck just came and took the garbage. So yeah, all the snow on top of the can just completely went in the garbage truck and all that. And looks like a tree branch fell from the snow over there. Sidewalk covered. It might rain soon, but I'm hoping that it just doesn't rain. So then I could just kind of play in the snow later when I get home in 6 hours around 3. See, it's like ice, sort of. Wish it could have snowed a couple more inches, then I'd be off today. Cause yeah, I don't think it was 8 inches. It's a good amount of snow, but not 8. If we did get 8 inches or even more than that, I'd be off. I'd just be enjoying a nice day out in the snow. But I'm hoping we have another snowstorm in March and we get a snow day, like 8 inches or more. Yeah, these are not like actual boots. Like, they are boots, but they're not like boots that you could go in like a couple inches. So I don't think I'll be stepping in that. I had my actual boots on, I'd go ahead and step in it to feel it. Can I actually get on the sidewalk over here just to feel it? Yeah. It's basically water with just a bit of snow on top. Light rain right now. 11:58. But luckily it's not a lot of rain, so the snow shouldn't melt, and I'll probably be able to go home and play in it a bit. But yeah, like really light rain. But I wish it were still snowing. Here's by the woods I'll go in soon. Kids are like actually playing in the snow. Some actually just fell off the power line. Snow's just constantly falling off the trees. Nice walking through here. Only we could have got it more. Looks like, yeah, it looks like they actually cleared this trail. over here not cleared. People just walk through. It's all slushy for the most part because of the footsteps. Still a good amount of snow over here, all piled up. Hard too. I might slip. All right, 2:55 p.m. after school, February 28th. I might go out and play with my brother since still a decent amount of snow. And because why not? I didn't really get to play that much this morning, just snow blow. Look at how much this bush went down. This one too went down quite a bit, but this one really went down. But the evergreen, for the most part, is good. I use this blue thing. I like to, whenever it snows now, I like to always do it around the yard. Yeah, I kind of decided to have something fun. I decided to have some fun. I decided to actually put these up on the tree, just have some fun. Decided to make, like, you know, go around the yard with this. See this. This is from this. I made like a direct line with it, like the property line. I don't know, just so where I could go up to, I guess, because why not? Just make it like a little property line. Although last year, to be honest with you, and I actually decided to make like a really big one. I had it like a couple feet in the neighbor's yard, like a little past the bushes and just a little past the fence. And I would kind of just run up to where the thing went. No one's been in the backyard yet. We're just starting to go in. You can see all the snow just fell off the fence. Recycling bin. Still has snow on top. It's actually heavy. Yeah, untouched snow, fresh clean snow, and about to do some more of that little thing. I'm about to, you know, just go all around with that blue thing. Alright, and this is basically it. I think I'm going to be going in soon. March 1st, everything is frozen. Bush is frozen. Garbage can was frozen. Cardboard. March 2nd. How much is melted?